What's up YouTube? Another day, another ride. Today we are heading out to Penukonda. Yes, I know I've vlogged Penukonda and I've been there already, but you know, such a place deserves to be recorded again and vlogged again. So this time it's gonna be with my riding group. We are known as Gods. I've been a part of this group for nearly 2 years and yeah, met awesome people, met amazing friends from there, and hope to learn a lot from them. And yeah, so this is going to be a breakfast ride where we're just going to head out to Penukonda and just come back. As of now, we are around 9 people today on the ride, but there are around 30 people in the group. Fingers crossed for a really good ride. This is going to be my first ride with my new tires as well. Yes, I've upgraded my tires after around 18,000 kilometers. These are the Apollo Trampler XRs. They're off-road oriented tires. Not exactly, they're on and off-road. What do you call that? Dual purpose tires, yes. So these are dual purpose tires, and I'm not getting as much grip as I did get before. Maybe it's because I haven't actually burnt them in or broken them in yet, because it's been not even like 50 or 60 kilometers since I bought the tires. So I'm hoping after today's ride I get the confidence in my tires, because Penukonda tests your limits with the corners as well. Right now I'm heading towards Hebbal, which is the meeting spot for today. I'll be meeting around 9 of my friends. Here at the meeting spot, and there's like quite a lot of crowd actually. Do I know him? Do I know him? Do I know him? No, I don't.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so one person has reached already. I'll have to go and meet them. God damn it. Ouch, my knee. Yeah, so I had a small fall back on the 1st of January itself from my Aether, and yeah, my knee is a little scraped up and there's a little pain. Where is he? Where is he?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What's up? I think we're the first ones. Inna bere yaar bandilla. We are about 10 of us today. One on the Speed 400 and one Himalayan will be joining us at Nandi Upachar, which is just 30 kilometers from here. We are already 30 minutes late. Yeah. Barely 7 AM actually. Too early for breakfast, too late for dinner. We're done with breakfast. I think it's around 110 kilometers from here. I'm not sure. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. அவ்வளோதான். 300 ரூபாய்.
300 ரூபாவா? அதுக்கு எதுல 300 ரூபா?
RFID.
சொந்த பார்க்கிங் தானே?
கரெக்ட்.
எதுக்கு 300?
அந்த பார்க்கிங் இது.
வீட்டு இது ஃபிளாட்ஸா? இன்டர்நெட்ல எடுக்கடா. பார்க்கிங் ஆல்ரெடி காசு கொடுத்துருக்காடா. It is not fair at all. 4 காஃபி, 4 டீ, 1 காஃபி. எங்க பாப்பா?
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ. Nothing.
ஐயப்பா ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅಹಿಪಾ, ಓ ಅಹಿಪಾ, ಏ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್, ಏ ಡಬಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್.
ಬರಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ ಕಾಫಿನೋ ಟೀನೋ.
We are in Penukonda, back again with a new set of tires. I'm not really confident with them, but yeah, let's just take it slow and easy. Yeah, so we did around 2 or 3 quarter laps of the place. We didn't go all the way down. We just went 2 hairpins down and we're like, yeah, we took a U-turn and came back up. Got some amazing shots. Ashte. There was also the street triple guy who was absolutely sending it in the corners. It was too fun to actually watch them corner, man. So it was a fun day. We perfect weather as well. Not like last time where we came in peak summer, 40-degree heat. It's a pleasant 23 degrees, I believe, today. I've gotten adjusted myself to these new tires. Even though they're dual purpose and mostly for off-road oriented stuff, I have found a way to scrape my foot peg in this as well. So do let me know in the comments if you guys want a review of these tires, because a few of you have been asking me on Instagram stating how these tires are and whether they can change their existing tires to these. Do let me know in the comments if you want a video like that. Yeah, I guess with that I'll be ending today's video. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I am Motor Critic. You know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Not right now, I need to use both my hands. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh my god, mo shinda iru. Nani?
Warehouse Vekunsi.
Warehouse Vekunsi.